If you're looking to upgrade your lighting situation for your computer, your laptop, or anything else, definitely want to check out this 5-inch ring light. Thank you to the brand for the free sample. I really appreciate it. So as you can see, you can use it on a laptop, a computer, or any other device, but basically it's mainly for a laptop and a computer, as you can see. So in my situation, I have my laptop. So as you can see, let me back up a little bit. My laptop there, and then this is where the light is. Let me put down the box. So as you can see, let me detach it. So let me go here. So there you can see is the light. This is where you would want to attach it to your laptop or your computer. It also has this part here that you can open up and close. And also it would attach here. So it's gonna come detached. This part, this whole, the ring light with this will come separate. Like it won't be attached to this. So you attach it here. You just, with your fingers, you just screw it in and that's it. Also has this cable, which I will show you now. It comes connected with a USB. And then sorry, let me leave it plugged in so you can see the different, my apologies. So you can see the different lights and colors. So how to use it. So let's leave it there. So then you would take this is what it comes with, the controller. You press this, you turn it on, turn it off. And then this is to make it less bright. This is to change the hue. And this is to make it brighter. So you have to press it. You can't hold it. Holding it doesn't do anything. As you can see, I'm holding it. It's not doing anything. So you gotta keep pressing it. So it's very nice. I really like it. I'm definitely gonna be using it. Hope you enjoy it and hope it upgrades your lighting situation.